The following iMovie demonstrates the Read Aloud, Think Aloud strategy for the book, The Hershey's Milk Chocolate Fractions Book by Jerry Pallotta. This book is intended for grades 1st through 4th, which is good for the earlier range of middle childhood, especially if we have struggling readers who are reading a grade or two below the average reading level. The Hershey's Milk Chocolate Fractions Book by Jerry Pallotta. Milk chocolate, oh delicious! Here is a Hershey's milk chocolate bar, the kind Milton Hershey made famous. Before we eat it, we are going to learn about fractions. Let's start by taking the wrapper off. Remember, not to litter. Look how the workers are cleaning up all the pieces from the wrapper. Here we have one whole milk chocolate candy bar. And what is a fraction? A fraction is a part or a portion of a whole thing. We are using Hershey's milk chocolate bar as our whole thing. I wonder how parts of a whole will be shown with the candy bar. If you break this candy bar apart, you will see 12 equal sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Oh, now I see the parts of the whole in our candy bar. You can stack the 12 equal sections on top of each other. Hey, it looks different, but any way you rearrange them, they equal one whole candy bar. Maybe this is the easiest way to understand fractions. What would you rather eat? 1/12 of a candy bar? Or would you rather eat 11/12 of a candy bar? If you love milk chocolate, the answer is simple. As you can see, doing fractions can be fun. The piece on the other page was taken from this candy bar to leave us with 11 of the 12 pieces. Here is 1/2 of a Hershey's milk chocolate bar. I wonder if 1/2 can be called something else. It looks that way to me. Let's see what the book says later on. And here is the other half. 6/12 is equal to 1/2. When two fractions equal each other, they are called equivalent fractions. Oh, 1/2 can also be 6/12. I wonder if it can be called anything else. Here is 1/3 of a whole Hershey's milk chocolate bar. How did we get the fraction of 1/3? I think it's like this. Our candy bar can be divided into 3 equal groups. Each of the 3 groups has 4 sections. Is there another name for 1/3? I guess we'll have to read on to find out. What is left over is 2/3. 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3. When the top number and the bottom number are the same, the fraction is equal to 1. I wonder if any other fractions add up to 1. Here is another way of saying 1/3. 4/12 is equal to 1/3. I see that there are 4 pieces from the 12 original pieces, and 4 pieces also make up one of the 3 rows. Now I see how 4/12 is also equal to 1/3. And what is left over? 8/12. 8/12 is equal to 2/3. 4/12 plus 8/12 equals 12/12, which equals one whole candy bar. Here's another set of fractions that are equal to 1 when added together. Here's 1/4 of a Hershey's milk chocolate bar. If you want to call this fraction 1/4, that is okay too. Why is 1/4 also called 1/4? Maybe it's like quarters in money. Here's what is left over, 3/4, or you could call it 3/4. Here is yet another set of fractions that equal 1 when added together. 3/12 is another way of saying 1/4. Did you know that the top number of a fraction is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator? Now you know. Where did the names numerator and denominator come from? Maybe I can research that. Let's explain it another way. 3/4 is equal to 9/12. I'm sure that if we continue to read, we can learn about even more fractions from this book.